64 species in genus Deschampsia. May 6th, Deschampsia. Deschampsia, the tufted hairgrass, represents May 6th. Deschampsia symbolizes grace and adaptability. You have a quiet, understated beauty that thrives in diverse environments. Like its delicate, waving blades in the wind, you move through life with elegance and resilience, inspiring others with your ability to flourish under any conditions. Deschampsia, a love affair with hairgrass. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession. I'm utterly captivated by a genus of grass. Not just any grass, mind you, but the delicate, ethereal beauty of Deschampsia, commonly known as hairgrass or tussock grass, belong to the Poaceae family. It started innocently enough. A flash of shimmering gold caught my eye in a meadow one autumn afternoon. Sunlight filtered through a stand of what I later learned was Deschampsia, its slender leaves and airy seed heads swaying in the breeze. The sight was mesmerizing, like a miniature golden waterfall frozen in time. From that moment, I was hooked. I delved into the world of Deschampsia, poring over botanical guides and scouring online forums. I learned about its diverse habitats, from the windswept coasts of Scotland to the alpine meadows of the Himalayas. I discovered the fascinating adaptations that allow it to thrive in such varied environments, from its deep root systems to its drought-resistant leaves. Species Showcase, a diverse family. The genus Deschampsia encompasses a remarkable array of species, each with its own unique charm. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating beauty, Deschampsia in the garden. My fascination with Deschampsia extends beyond mere admiration. I've become an avid cultivator, experimenting with different species in my own garden. I've learned that these grasses are relatively low maintenance, requiring well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They're also remarkably versatile, adding texture and interest to borders, rockeries, and even container gardens. One of my favorite aspects of growing Deschampsia is witnessing its transformation throughout the seasons. In spring, new growth emerges, vibrant and full of life. Summer brings the delicate beauty of the flowering season, with airy seed heads catching the light. As autumn approaches, the foliage takes on warm hues of gold and bronze, creating a stunning display. Even in winter, the dried seed heads provide structural interest and a haven for wildlife. Beyond the garden, ecological importance. My appreciation for Deschampsia goes beyond its aesthetic appeal. I've come to recognize its crucial role in the ecosystem. These grasses provide valuable habitat and food sources for a variety of insects and birds. Their deep root systems help to stabilize soil and prevent erosion. And in some cases, they even play a role in carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. A continuing journey. My journey with Deschampsia is far from over. I continue to be fascinated by this remarkable genus, eager to learn more about its biology, ecology, and horticultural potential. I'm excited to see how I can incorporate these grasses into my garden in new and creative ways. And I'm committed to sharing my passion with others, spreading awareness of the beauty and importance of this often overlooked group of plants. In conclusion, Deschampsia, with its delicate beauty and ecological significance, has captured my heart and imagination. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly ordinary plants can hold extraordinary wonders. I encourage you to take a closer look at the grasses around you, and perhaps you too will discover the captivating allure of Deschampsia.